Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Winrar software on Windows 11 PC. Winrar is a compression software which is make archive, and it is also used for extracting zip file and also used for creating zip files. So it is very popular archiving software. So now I will show you how to install it on Windows 11 PC. So I open my browser. I go to search bar and type Winrar and hit enter. Then it is loading. So this is the Winrar official website. So I click on it, and there are two options. One is buy Winrar and another is free version download Winrar. So I will not buy Winrar. I just download free version. So I click on download Winrar, and then again they advertise us that Winrar is fully encrypted and ready for Windows 11 integrated backup feature, etc, etc. But I not choose this option. I just click on download Winrar button, and it take 5 seconds to start downloading. So I am waiting for start downloading. So if it is not start within 5 seconds, then click here button. So the download pop-up is open. So I click on start download, and it is downloading on my PC. So it will take 10 to 15 seconds. Within this second it will be download. So my download is almost completed. So download is completed. Now I close this download completed wizard. So I double click on Winrar setup file, and it asks me permission. So I click on yes, and then I click on install. Here is the file types which are supported by Winrar. So I click on .ios and .jar file. So I click on OK, and I click on done. So Winrar installation is completed. So when I right click, create a folder, and when I right click again on this folder, and we see this option Winrar, and I can easily create an archive, add to archive, or add to Winrar install mania.rar. So when I click it, it create a RAR software which are .rar archive. So I open this RAR archive always by this Winrar. So I click on always, and we see that this is the Winrar archive, and enter this into this archive. There are folder which I was created. I can also add file here, so I can add any type of file here. So that is the benefit of Winrar, which help you to create any file to archive, and you can send it by email or another media. So that was my video. In this video, I show you how to install Winrar software on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.